Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. So in today's video, we are in front of my stove because I don't have, besides my phone, a timer to set for 20 minutes, but I will be creating a journal in 20 minutes once my stove sends off the alarm that my 20 minutes are done. Then I am completely done. I will try to create a little journal as best as I can. This was inspired by Carol over at Recrafted by Carol. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset it. And then I'm gonna hit start and take out to my table. And we're on. So once it stops, sorry about that, my phone decided to quit recording. Hi guys, I thought that my phone had recorded the last portion of that video, but it in fact did not. But all you see here are two envelopes that I glued together, different sizes by the way, a scrapbook sheet of paper and a remnant from a book page. So that is what I'm using here so that y'all know what it is. But we are still on the clock, I promise. Alright, so that's gonna go in the back. Let me see what's going on with this glue here. It's not open. Okay, trash. I feel like I need that Bugs Bunny music as when he plays a barber in that cartoon. Y'all know the one. And it's still not coming out. Okay, phase 2. Okay. Here we go. We'll put that there. I get the feeling that this is not gonna turn out looking cute. I like the bunny, but we're gonna have to say bye to the bunny in order for this to fit, I think. Bye, Mr. Wabbit. Okay. We are not going for any theme at all. We are just trying to make this happen. Y'all should try this. This is like fun adrenaline. Fun adrenaline, junk journaling, junkie jives. Vibes. Sorry. Okay, that looks cute, right? Okay, moving on to the inside of our journal. This is gonna be a pocket, that's gonna be a pocket. We've got this up here, sure. I wish that glue would have worked because there's gonna be warping on this. Oh, there's cuties in here. This is just to add some texture to our journal. Cute. We're gonna go for it. I'm curious to know what Carol used her little junk journal for. Hers turned out so adorbs. How did I have this? Did I have this one? Yeah, it was this one. Okay, looking at the time, 14:51 it says. Cute, okay. We're gonna go for it. Okay. That's adorbs. Okay, and what is this? Who said God is dead? Some more glue there. Okay, let's see what else we've got. I feel like something's missing here, huh? Okay. I'm just gonna put this there for contrast. Ooh, that pained me to do that. Okay, but we gotta do it. Must be done. I'm spending too much time on the cover, I feel. Spent too much time on that glue. I wish it would have worked. gonna re-glue this a little bit. Do y'all hear Paul? Okay. You're good. Sorry. Y'all saw my pantuflas. Okay, we need pages. Pages. Oh. Okay, cool. All right, I gotta move this to the side so you guys can see what pages I pick and stuff. Let me bring y'all up. This is a good one. What is this? Card. This is a good one. Might use that. That's pretty. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay. Let's see, what is this? I don't know. I need big pages, big pages. Where are they at? Okay, I could use that. Ooh, for collaging. That's a newspaper. I need bigger pages though. Okay. Oh look, here was another envelope. Ooh, we got wallpaper. Here's a good page. Sorry. Okay, here's some good sized pages too. Here's for a pocket, I don't know. Okay, this is a good one. I don't know what kind of paper this is, but that'll be a good one. Okay. Finding good papers now towards the back here. Okay, let's work with that. Running out of time. Where's my journal? That's not it. This is it. Okay. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Let's cut that down to size. 11 minutes, 12 seconds remaining. Just gonna trim this down a little bit. No, don't do this to me now. Okay, scissors. Scissors. Okay. I cut it all wonky. Okay. Cute. Ooh, I can attach something here. What do we stick? What do we put? This will do. Still not working. Okay. I trusted you. I thought we were gonna stick together in all of this. Sorry, yeah, I had to make. Oh my god, I didn't even have y'all down below. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm gonna trim that. We could use this too later, maybe. I don't know. Cute. Okay, here we are. So we're gonna do this page. Cool. We got this page. Ooh, that's a good size. Okay, cool. That's kind of cute, huh? Cool. Okay, let's just make a quick collage on this too. I still gotta leave room for binding. Okay. Like a cluster of some sort. Alright, cool. What is this? Yeah. That looks cute. Okay. We're gonna staple this. Boom. Cluster. We have a pocket here. That's cute. Okay. Let's glue that on there. Okay, our cluster. Oops, there goes my glue. Okay. Pages. We need more pages. Okay. We're gonna do something like that. Something like this. Okay. And then a page here. I don't know where this came from, but we're gonna run with it. Like this. We need more contrast in between these pages. I don't know. This isn't gonna have very much color. We'll use this one. Okay. 7 minutes. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here's this one. Stick it there. And then this one, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bind it. What do you guys think? You think that's enough pages? I only have a couple of minutes left. I feel like I can stick something else here. No, we don't got time. Okay. We got 6:43. 6:43. Okay, here we are. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I don't have anything to hold this. Okay. Where's my needle? Here we are. Do this one. Unravel this. Where's the end? Oh, here it is. The end is near. The end is very near, and I'm not even done yet. This is a lot of stress. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, now we gotta get it in there. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, here we are. Okay, now time for binding. Don't do this to me. Okay, I'm gonna have to find every single little hole because it's not working for me. Yeah. Huh? What does that mean? Yeah, in a minute. Okay. 4:51. We are almost done. Okay, that one went in a lot easier. Thank you. Okay, I missed that one by just a little bit. I'm gonna put this back under here. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut this. Okay. Sorry. Okay, there's our journal. Quick flip through. Yeah. Cute. Okay. I thought I was gonna like that, but I don't like it. I got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Ooh, I can make that into like a little tab pocket here. If this thing would have worked. All right, you gonna work for me now? Let's see, let's see. Oops, sorry. Yeah, there it goes. Awesome. Finally. Okay. All right. And we have a little fun tab there. We could do that. I gotta cut it. Okay. This glue is amazing when it works. Okay, my nose is running. I guess I better go catch it. I want to bring some color. When I'm done, in a minute. Change of plans. I like this one. Cute. Oops. I like that. Okay. Glue. That looks cute. Okay, in a minute. We got some words. Let's do dream. Just to make this stick out a little bit better. Okay. Cute. Yes. In a minute. Sure, we'll put that there. 16 seconds. Okay. I want an image, a picture of some sort. Do I have it? No! Okay, I hear you, I hear you. And that is our journal, you guys. Timer is done. Okay. Well, that's what I got done in 20 minutes. We completed a cute little journal. I want to thank you guys for having spent time with me. This was a lot of fun, although I was like a little bit in a panic, but I think it worked out. I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? I'm interested to see if anybody else jumps in on this cute little junk journaling challenge that Carol hosted. So thank you so much, Carol. I am sweating, but this kind of breaks you out if you're like in a funk and you just don't have any inspiration pouring out of you. So this gets you kind of thinking super fast, and I think it worked out. I think it turned out really, really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.